If you're considering buying from the Travel Corporation, there are a few crucial things you need to know before making that decision. Stick with me till the end, and I'll give you the full breakdown so you can decide if this company is really the right fit for your travel needs. Now, if you want the best offer for the Travel Corporation, you can try it completely free by clicking the first link below. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this exclusive deal. The first thing you should know is that the Travel Corporation, TTC, is a giant in the travel industry, offering a wide variety of travel experiences through several well-known brands like Trafalgar, Insight Vacations, and Kontiki. What sets TTC apart from other travel providers is their focus on providing guided tours that cater to every type of traveler. Whether you're after luxury or adventure, their broad range of options means they've likely got something for you. And when comparing them to competitors like G Adventures or Intrepid Travel, TTC's experience and expertise often shine through in the high quality of their curated itineraries. Next thing to keep in mind is their commitment to sustainability and responsible travel. In recent years, TTC has been making a concerted effort to reduce its environmental footprint, focusing on eco-friendly transportation, sustainable accommodations, and supporting local communities. This is an area where many travel companies still fall short, but TTC's efforts are worth noting and can give you peace of mind, knowing that your travels are positively impacting the places you visit. The third thing is their flexibility and booking options. Unlike some competitors that lock you into rigid itineraries, TTC gives you the option to choose from different departure dates, varying trip lengths, and even customizable tours. If you're someone who values freedom while traveling, this added flexibility is a major perk that makes TTC stand out. The ease of booking online also ensures that you're not wasting time navigating through complicated processes, which you'll find with some other travel companies. The fourth thing to consider is their customer service. TTC prides itself on excellent support, and they've earned a solid reputation for going above and beyond to ensure their customers are satisfied. If you've ever dealt with frustrating customer service from other travel providers, you'll appreciate TTC's focus on making sure all your questions are answered and your concerns addressed before, during, and after your trip. The fifth thing is the value you get for your money. Now, travel packages with TTC can sometimes seem on the pricier side compared to budget-focused companies like Intrepid, but when you break down what's included, accommodation, meals, guides, and exclusive experiences, you can see why it's worth it. TTC often provides more luxury and better included experiences, which might make the higher price tag feel justified. Plus, their loyalty program offers discounts for future trips, so if you're a frequent traveler, you can actually save a lot in the long run. Next thing is the level of expertise their guides bring to the table. TTC's tours are often led by local experts who know the area inside and out. This gives you a more immersive experience, something that's often missing from large, less specialized travel companies. They know where to go, what to see, and how to do it all in a way that ensures you're making the most of your time and money. The final thing to know before committing to the Travel Corporation is the ability to experience destinations with a group that feels more personal than a typical mass market tour. Unlike other big-name tour operators, TTC focuses on smaller, more intimate groups, which means a more personalized travel experience. This is especially true for their premium brands, like Uniworld Boutique River Cruise Collection, where you can expect upscale accommodations and more personalized attention than with other river cruise companies. So, if you're ready to try out the Travel Corporation and explore one of their amazing tours, click the first link in the description below to get access to the best offer available, along with a completely free trial. Don't miss your chance to see what TTC has to offer and enjoy all the exclusive benefits.